Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this easy, long, gorgeous twist using Marley hair. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized, and thank you so much Toyotress for sponsoring this video. So I'm going to be using some Toyotress Marley crochet hair, and this is in 28 inches. It comes 6 in a pack. So I'm just going to take it out of the pack exactly the way I'm doing. So it does have some hair accessories inside, and then it comes in a pack exactly the way it is rolled up. So it has 6 packs. So I'm just going to take the little rubber band that it comes with off, and then I'm just going to unravel the hair. Sis, when I tell you this is the 28-inch Marley crochet hair, and this is in color number 1B. It feels so soft, and the material, sis, is synthetic. Okay, so it just feels like your natural hair. I mean, you can actually rock this like, you know, some crochet afro hair. You can do braids, you can do twists, you can do a whole lot with this hair right here, sis. You can find this hair on Amazon, and you better go check it out, sis. I'm gonna put everything in the description below. I'm going to be using my rattle comb and my shining jam, as well as my rubber bands. All right, so sis, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start sectioning my hair from the back. So you already know I'm going to section from ear to ear, just a straight line, exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm going to take my shining jam just to make sure the line is really nice and clean or whatever. And then I'm going to be sectioning my hair into 3 in the back. So exactly the way I'm doing, sis, section 1 box at a time. Take my shining jam and then apply it to the line just to make sure it is nice and clean. So I'm going to be using my rubber band to hold the hair, but this is the same rubber band that I'm going to use for my twists, okay? Toyotress is the only shop that has the 28-inch on Amazon, so you better go check it out, sis. I'm gonna put everything in the description below. You can go on toyotress.com and use code Tupo1 for 20% off, because everybody wants some dollars off, sis, okay? And on Amazon, it does sell for $39.99. So, sis, it is a pack of 6. I mean, it makes all kinds of sense, okay? So I did section my hair out into 30 sections. So I'm just gonna take my hair clip and make sure I hold the rest of the hair away. And then I'm going to take my shining jam, apply it to the section, making sure the scalp is really nice and juicy, okay? And then section my hair into 2, my natural hair into 2. So I'm just gonna take the Marley hair. So I'm sectioning 4 strands for 1 section, and make sure both sides are nice and equal. And then you're going to take your Marley hair, then you're going to place it in between your natural hair. So you're going to take both strands of your natural hair, combine them together, and then take your rubber band, same rubber band that you were using to hold that parting. You're just gonna take the rubber band and secure your natural hair. Today's style, I'm going to do, you know, the rubber band method, which is the easiest. I wanted to make sure anybody who is a beginner can do twists by themselves, okay? So this is the easiest technique of them all, and you already know how I feel about this technique right here. All right, so once you secure your natural hair, you're going to section the hair into 2 and then give yourself a little tug. That way you have a nice grip on the bottom. That way the scalp looks clean. Just gonna take a little bit more of the shining jam, apply it to the remaining of your natural hair. You're going to take your natural hair and then tack it in your bottom strand, okay? So that's exactly what I'm doing, and then I'm just gonna twist them a little bit exactly the way I'm doing, taking the other strand from the top, twisting it, going into the same direction, sis, okay? And then I'm going to start looping them around. So once I do that, I'm just gonna start the same technique, twist and loop them around, twisting both strands and then looping them around, okay? And when I tell you this is the easiest technique that you have ever done, this is the easiest twist. When I tell you this technique right here works every single time, and it actually took me an hour and a half to do this twist. When I tell you they're nice and long and very light, because you know Marley hair is really light, so even though they're long, they are nice and light, sis. Hey! So I decided I was gonna do some twists with this hair because I was like, oh, I need to do something that looks really cute, something that's gonna come all the way through, something that's quick, and something that does not take time at all. I mean, it took me about an hour, 30 minutes, and I was done. So once I get to the end, I'm just gonna roll my fingers together. That way I can seal the ends, okay? So that's all I'm doing right there. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. All right, so I'm going to show you again. So I'm going to take my Shine and Jam, apply it to the natural hair, okay, to the box of the natural hair, making sure the scalp is really nice and juicy, okay? And then I'm going to section my hair into two. I'm going to take the Marley crochet here, making sure both sides are nice and equal, and then I'm going to place it in between my natural hair. Taking both strands of my natural hair, combining those together, and then using the same rubber band that I was using to secure my natural hair. Once you secure the rubber band, you're going to section your natural hair into two and then give it a little tug. That way it is nice and snug on the bottom. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of the Shine and Jam and then apply it to my natural hair, okay, the remaining of my natural hair. So I'm going to take my natural hair and secure it with the bottom strand of the braiding hair, and then I'm going to take the top strand and then twist it in the same direction and then start looping them around. So I'm going to twist and loop them around. But while we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what's juicy. Yes, sis. Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 500K. So once I get to the end, I'm just gonna roll my fingers together. That way I can seal the ends, okay? So I'm going to show you guys again. So you're going to take your Shine and Jam, apply it to your natural hair. Make sure the scalp is really nice and juicy, okay? You're going to section your hair into two, and then you're going to take your Marley hair, okay? Your braiding hair, your Marley hair, making sure both sides are nice and equal, and then you're going to place it in between your natural hair. This is for my sisters who have never done twists before, who have never braided before, but they really want to learn. And you can actually do this technique on your sister, on your mama, on your friend, on whoever. And this technique right here is going to come all the way what? Through. You're going to take your natural hair and then tuck it in your bottom strand, okay? Taking the other strand from the top, twisting it, going into the same direction, sis, okay? And then I'm going to start looping them around. Twist and loop them around. Twisting both strands and then looping them around, okay? When I tell you, I am feeling these twists already and I am not even done. I'm about to turn into a goddess African queen, sis. So once I get to the end, I'm just gonna roll my fingers together. That way I can seal the ends, okay? So that's all I'm doing right there. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. And then I'm going to section my hair into two. I'm going to take the Marley crochet here, making sure both sides are nice and equal, and then I'm going to place it in between my natural hair. Taking both strands of my natural hair, combining those together, and then using the same rubber band that I was using to secure my natural hair. You're going to section your natural hair into two and then give it a little tug. That way it is nice and snug on the bottom. That way it is nice and, you know, tight, but not way too tight that you're gonna give yourself a headache or actually break your natural hair. And I'm going to take the top strand and then twist it in the same direction and then start looping them around. So I'm going to twist and loop them around. You can find this 28-inch Marley hair on Amazon. I've been looking around trying to find some long Marley hair and I couldn't find anything. I'm going to put the link for the Amazon shop down in the description below. Once you get to the end, you're just going to roll it around your finger exactly the way I'm doing. So once I'm done, I'm just going to take my coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil mixture. Make sure my scalp is really nice and juicy. Anyways, I'm just going to take my mousse and make sure everything is nice and laid and situated. then I'm going to take my scissors and cut all the flyaways. And then I'm going to take my hot water, sis. So just to make sure, you know, everything is nice and sealed. This is optional right here because the sealing is good. But I just wanted to make sure for my sisters who like to put their ends in hot water, you can actually do it. But make sure you're very careful, sis, because you do not want to burn yourself. I'm just going to take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure these baby hairs are nice and laid using the brush that I got from where? Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And then I'm going to take my styling strip just to make sure everything is nice and situated. And baby, when I tell you this Marley twist came all the way through, yes, sis, I am living for this Marley long 28-inch twist, okay? And this is 28 inches. It goes all the way down to my waist, and your girl had to do a little shimmy, shimmy, shaky, shaky right there. Anyway, but sis, when I tell you this is cute, oh my gosh. But you know me, I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So here I'm adding some gold accessories here, there, and everywhere. And baby, when I tell you I am feeling these accessories as well. As you guys can see, Miss Tupo1 is feeling herself, okay? And then, you know, I gotta give you some styles here and there. I just wanted to show you, you can actually rock a whole lot of styles with this hair. When I tell you I am feeling good, looking good, and I'm just like, you know what, I feel like a whole lot of money right about now. And you know, I had to give you a little ponytail kind of situation, top ponytail over here. And I am just loving these twists right here. I love how cute these are, how light this hair is. Let me know if you guys are loving it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it. Let me know if you think this is a hairstyle right here. And you know me, I cannot give you one style. I gotta give you a whole lot of styles, okay? Because I was having so much fun. I'm just gonna pull two pieces to the front, and baby, it is coming all the way through as well. I was like, you know what? Let me just be styling this hair so I can look cute or whatever. And you can actually rock these twists, and you're changing styles every single day. Sis, the only shop that has the 28-inch on Amazon is Toyotress, sis, and you better go check them out. And they sell for $39.99, and it is a pack of 6. What? Yes, sis. Okay. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying, but I'm going to put everything in the description below. And as I said, you can actually go on their site, toyotress.com, and use code Tupo1 and get 20% off. Okay. So this is a plus. Everybody's trying to save money in 2022, sis. Okay. Look at the crown right here. She is adjusting the crown, honey. Adjusting the crown because the crown ain't slipping nowhere. Okay. We adjusted. Okay. I'm just gonna, you know, throw it to the side exactly the way I'm doing. Sis, when I tell you I am feeling myself, okay? I love it. I love the twist. I love how long they are. I love the color. I am just over here thriving, okay? My hair is thriving and I feel good. And look how light these twists are. Look how light. Girl, I gotta give you a little dance action because I feel all the way good. The middle part came all the way through as well, sis. Okay, so you can rock them anyhow, any style. Oh my gosh, you are just going to be having so much fun with this twist right here if you decide to do twists. But you can actually also do some updos with this hair. I mean, let me tell you something. This is a win right here, okay? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 500K, 500,000, baby, because I am looking forward to that. And you already know when we are at 500,000, we are doing a giveaway. So make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt so they subscribe and we get to 500,000 because it's going to be another cash giveaway. Anyway, but thank you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.